Hi, I'm Lynne Hagmeyer. Welcome to my Spring Market 2020 preview. My new fabric line with Moda is called Bittersweet Lane. I love the prints and colors that transition through the seasons. There's a lovely mum print. We have tone-on-tones, florals, this cute little leaf print, and my signature multicolor backgrounds that are perfect for all of your quilts. The darker colors that go with the tans are golds, this pretty plum purple, rich reds and blues. We have greens. I just love this little green ferny print with the multicolor berries. And we have the rich browns and pumpkins for all your fall decorating. I'm featuring the pumpkins in the quilt behind me in a booklet called Bittersweet Pumpkins. I start with fat quarters of pumpkins for the blocks and use a honey bun for the X blocks in the piece border so that it's so much easier to cut all those little squares. Also in the booklet is the Bittersweet sampler. That features a layer cake. You can pick your favorite colors for the backgrounds of the blocks and piece with for the X blocks in the border. I also used a honey bun for a booklet, Bittersweet and Honey, featuring a honey bun. We have a pillow, a wall quilt, and a runner for every season to decorate your home. We have a fall pumpkin, Christmas ornament, red, white, and blue for summer, and a purple flower all through spring. I love this little charm quilt that I designed called Happy Jacks. Simple to piece, and it'll put a smile on your face. Another charm project for this line is called Bittersweet Seasons. I wanted a simple framed background, and then I created panels that can be pinned on for a table topper or a wall quilt. We have a spring wreath, red, white, and blue stars and stripes for summer. We have our fall pumpkin, and we have ornaments for the holidays. Thanks for stopping by for this Bittersweet Lane Kansas Troubles preview.